Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Roblox Yama cape. This sought-after accessory is a valuable item within a popular Roblox experience. It offers distinct advantages, enhancing your character's abilities. The process involves a challenging quest, so preparation is key. We'll guide you through the necessary steps to successfully acquire this powerful cape for your avatar. To begin your quest for the Yama cape, you must enter the Roblox game titled Superpower Simulator, Chakra. Within this experience, your primary objective is to locate and interact with a specific non-player character. This character, known as Boss Yama, is the sole source of the cape. Be aware that his quest requires you to train 2,000 agility points, demanding careful planning and execution to overcome. Before confronting Boss Yama, ensure you know his location. He is typically found on a separate island within the game. Once you find him, interact to accept the agility training quest. To make the process quicker, consider investing in in-game pets or multipliers, which can significantly boost your agility gains. This preparation will help you complete the 2,000 agility requirement more efficiently. Once you have accepted the quest, focus on consistently training your agility until you reach the required 2,000 points. This may take some time, but persistence is key. After successfully completing the training, return to Boss Yama and interact with him again. He will acknowledge your achievement, and the coveted Yama cape will then be automatically added to your Roblox inventory for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.